In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Siri search history on your iPhone or iPad. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down and tap on Siri and Search. Here you can easily find Siri and dictation history. Get into it, and here all you have to do is right there tap at Delete Siri and Dictation History. Now it says that Siri and dictation interactions currently associated with this iPhone will be deleted from Apple servers. Hit right here and wait for a couple of seconds. After that, it says that your Siri and dictation history will be deleted. You can tap on Dismiss and that's it. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.